Good morning, dear students. Are you fine? I hope you are very well in your home. Today we will study the second lesson of your English reader, second lesson. Second lesson is very interesting topic, lesson. It is a story based upon some students. They are studying in class 7th. You are also studying in 7th class. This lesson is presented in the form of a drama. You know the drama? Okay, then we can, very simple lesson. The heading of the lesson I already written on the board. A new idea of good manners. You have already studied about the good manners in English essays, English grammar essays. You already studied about good manners essay. But here in this lesson, we will get some new ideas about what we can add to the new ideas about our concept. In our mind, we have some ideas about the good manners. What is good manners? What type of character? What type of systems? Already in our mind. But in this lesson, we should add something more about good manners. Lesson number 2. I think that you will get some more ideas about the good manners from this lesson. Then if you have a book, you should take your book also. Here, lesson number 2. A new idea of good manners. There is a picture is also in your book. Some students, they are studying in 7th class and also they are standing under a tree. Okay. The town high school has just opened this morning after the long summer vacation. After the long vacation, summer vacation. Summer vacation means April, May. And June 15 or 16 we will again start our classes. After the summer vacation, next session we will start from June 15, 16, that means before 20 we will start the classes. Here there is a school. The name of the school is the Town High School. Town High School, Town Public School, Town High School. It was just opened now. Just opened this morning. That means this is the first day of the new academic session. The town high school has just opened now today morning day, this morning after 2 months summer vacation. Listen once again. The town high school has just opened this morning after the long summer vacation. Long summer vacation means 2 months or 2.5 months or 3 months long. In your life, 2 months means very long period. Because after starting after opening our school, you will not get enough time to enjoyment. After your annual examinations, every students will get 2 months holidays for entertainments and enjoyment. Here, after the long summer vacation, the school just has reopened. What is the name of the school? What is the name of the school? The town high school. Okay. Then Ravi and Anand are in the 7th class. Ravi spent his vacation at a village. Anand spent almost all of it in the town. We went away for only a few days to see his uncle. They have just met a new boy in the school. His name is Ashok. He has just joined the school and is almost a stranger to them. Then Ravi and Anand, there are 2 boys. Ravi, the one is Ravi and the other is Anand. Devi and Anand, they are very close friends. They are studying in same class. Which class? They are also studying 7th class. What is the name of the friends? Devi and Anand are the name of the the name of that friends. The Ravi and Anand are in 7th class. Ravi spent his vacation at a village. Their house is also in the city, in the town. Ravi, during the summer season, during the vacation time, Ravi went to his village and he spent 2 months there. Where did Ravi spend his summer vacation? This is a question from your book. Where did Ravi spend his summer vacation? Answer: Ravi spent his summer vacation. Summer vacation? Where? Summer vacation in a village. He went to his village to spend his summer vacation. 2 months or 1 month. He stayed there with the other family members. So Ravi, he is a student of class 7th. He is studying in the town high school. After the annual examination, the school closed. There will be no work in the town to Ravi. That's why he went to his village to spend his summer vacation. Ravi spent his summer vacation at a village. Then, this is a summer vacation work of Ravi. He stayed in village. Summer vacation time, Ravi spent his vacation day in the village. Then what about the Anand? Okay. Anand spent almost all of it in the town. Anand spent most of the days in his own house, his own home in the town. He went away for only few days to see his uncle. He went away to see his uncle 4 or 5 days. He stayed in his uncle's home. After 5 days or 4 days, he come back to his home. Uncle's home. Uncle's home. Then they have just met a new boy in the school. The morning time school opened. Both the boys, Ravi and Anand, they came in the school and they were standing outside the school building under a tree. At that time, they saw another boy. They have just met a new boy in the school. His name is Ashok. They just listened. There is a boy standing there. They did not see him before. And they thought that he is a new boy. New boy means a newborn, there is no newborn boy. Actually, a new admission. Ashok was newly admitted in 7th class. They have just met a new boy in the school. His name is Ashok. He has just joined the school and is almost a stranger to them. Stranger means a new, unknown. Because the first time they saw Ashok. So they thought that Ashok is a stranger, strange boy. Stranger means an unknown boy, not familiar. So Ravi and Anand, they are the old students in the school. In this case of Ashok, he is a new student, newly admitted Ashok. Is it clear? I will ask some question to you. What was the name of the friends? Ravi and Anand. And where did Ravi spend his summer vacation? Answer. Ravi spent his summer vacation at a village. Then, what was the name of a new boy? The new boy's name is Ashok. Is it clear? Then we can go to their dialogues. Ravi. to Ashok. Devi to Ashok. First, starting with Devi. Devi asked a question to Ashok. I have never seen you before here. I believe you are a stranger to the school. Are you a new boy? I have never seen. I means Devi. Devi told to Ashok. Devi asked to Ashok. I have never seen you before here. Before means pehle. I have never seen you. I did not see you before. I believe you are a stranger to this. I think that you are a new boy, new admitted boy in the school. Am I right? Are you a new boy? Ashok. Yes, I am. And I am joined the class 7th day. Which class are you in? Yes. Ashok told that, yes, I am a newly admitted student in the school. I admitted in the 7th class. Then, which class are you studying? Devi, I am in class 7th also. T double O. T double O. This meaning is also. I am also studying in 7th class. I am also. This is the meaning. Here, okay. I am in class 7th also. My name is Ravi and this is my friend Ashok. My name is Ravi and this is my friend Ashok. Anand, I am very glad to see you. How are you? I am very glad. GLAD, glad means happy. I am very happy to see you. I am because now today morning day I got 2 friends. That is also the same class students. That's a good do Ashok. Ashok is a newly admitted student in the school. And first day also he got 2 friends. What is his name? Devi and Anand. Okay. Then Anand, I am very glad to see you. Ashok, how are you? Anand. Ashok, sorry, Ashok. I am fine, thank you. But excuse me, are you also in the 7th class? Are you also in 7th class? Anand, yes, I am also in 7th class. We are also in 7th class. Devi, I am sorry. I forgot to tell about you that. Have you had a look at our school, Ashok? Did you see our school or classrooms or computer lab or library, other things, other rooms, teachers' room, classrooms? Did you see it? Ashok. No. No, I haven't yet, but I would very much like to. Shall we go to the library and have a look at the books? No, I did not see the school. The first time I came in this school, so I did not listen to the classrooms, library, computer rooms, playground, etc. And shall we go to the library? Shall we go? Can we go to the library? The first, the boys decided to visit the library school. Now, how many new admitted students in our school were ready to visit the library in the first day? It is rare case, not possible. But our friend Ashok, he, a newly admitted student in town high school, he wanted the library, school library, in his first day of the school. No, I haven't yet. But I would very much like, shall we go to the library and have a look at these books? And yes, why not? Why not? Yes, we are ready. Now we can go to a library. The 3 boys go to the library. Anand, ours is not a very big school, and so this is not a very big library. The Anand, this Anand told to Ashok, our school is not a big. Not a big means our school is a small school. So library is also small school. Our school, our Rajarajendra school, that is also a small school. Our library is also small school. In another way, we can say this sentence is like that: our school is not a big school, our library is not a big, or our school is small, or our library is also small. Then, ours is not a very big school. Our school is not a big school, small school, and so this is a very big library. This is not a big library, Devi, but it is a good one. It has many interesting story books. But it is a good library. Why? There is a number of interesting story books in that library. We will get interesting story books from the library. So that is why our library is very good there in Ashok. Are there some plays also? Any plays? Plays means dramas. Drama book available? Is it available at drama books? Devi. Yes, there are drama books also available. I read one last year, but I didn't like it. It was built at dull. Yes, yes, we will get the drama books also. Drama books also available in our library. The last year, I had taken a book from the library, that is a drama book. I read it, but that was very dull. Dull means not interesting. That was not interesting, sir. It was a bit of dull, not interesting, sir. Ashok, do you like to watch play? Do you like to watch the drama? Do you interesting drama? To act or watch play or drama? Maybe. I very much like to watch plays, but I can't stand reading them. Storybooks are never dull. I am Devi told that I am very much interested to watch the dramas, but I have no interest to read the drama books. Both are different. The Ravi, he is very much interested to watch, view the dramas, but he had no interest to read the drama books. I very much like to watch plays, but I can't stand reading them. Storybooks are never dull. Here listen, a number of spoken English words, spoken English sentences are available from the textbooks. And these sentences you can also use in your school time or any other friends. These sentences, this structure, you should study the sentence, how the usage of the sentence and structure of the sentence or grammar of the sentence. Like this one, I very much like to watch plays. I very much like to see the dances, like that. I very much like. I very much likes to eat apples. And a number of sentences you can also study from this lesson. This is a number of spoken English words available, sentences available from this lesson. But I can't stand read them. Storybooks are never dull. Ashok. But would you like to act in play? But are you interested to act in a play? Listen the sentence. But would you like to act in a play? Would you like to sing a song? Would you like to eat an apple? Would you like to write an essay? Number of sentences. Would you like? Would you like apple? Would you like dances like that? But would you like to act in a play? Devi, not very much, but Anand would love to. Not very much. That means no more interest. Anand, yes, I like acting very much. I am always ready to act if I am asked to. There isn't anything dull about acting. Those big fat books are a bit dull, perhaps, but acting is not. Here Anand told that the big fat book, reading is very difficult and we can't understand the usage and the phrases. But if you watch a play or if you watch a drama, that will become more interesting to us. Then what are they? Then this another part, this part, first part completed. This first part means the three students, Ravi, Anand and Ashok, they went to the library and there was some talking about the library books and drama or play, and that conversation completed. The next times they are going to talk about the dictionaries. That is another topic. And the second part, that is the second part. First part about the library, first they have already visited. The second part they are going to talking about the dictionary, and that part or they are talking. Ravi, Ashok, Anand, three friends talking. Tomorrow we will meet them. Ravi, Anand, Ashok. Again tomorrow they will join with us to wait for you. Don't miss the class tomorrow. Okay, thanks very much.